Hello everyone, Nadine here, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're going to show you a project that we're working on here. It's a master bathroom and I'm really excited about this one. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So the progress here today is what we're doing is we're laying tile. This is going to be a beautiful herringbone stone look tile. The vibe in this bathroom is going to be kind of like a stone, natural, organic Mediterranean vibe, which is going to be absolutely beautiful. We're also finishing waterproofing the shower. We're building her a beautiful niche in there that's going to be lighted, so that's amazing. These clients are a little bit on the taller side, so we did elevate that shower head for them just a bit for more comfort. Over here is where she is having her vanities, and these are going to be really, really nice wood floating vanities here. Can't wait to show you those. And this is just going to be an absolutely beautiful project, so stay tuned for progress on this bathroom.